What's up, friends? It's back to school time. That's why the video is a little late, but you guys got this. So, before we get into this, what did you do? What did you do today? Uh, did you follow the process? Do you know what to do? Or you wait for the video to come out? So, it's just a little self-check for you. If you were waiting for this video to come out, you need to go back and watch all the old videos. All of them. Starting at video 1. Repetition will beat this into you. This is just an easy system that just kills the markets. So we'll get that out of the way, but it's on you. I mean, you can speed up your own timeline, right? It's all up to you. And if you got questions, reach out, but make sure you're doing your work first, or else the conversation probably not going to go very good for you. Because I put a lot of work into this, 7 years. But the market is down. So, what's the first thing we do? And you can take notes. This is the trading system. First thing, the market's down. We're looking to buy some stuff, right? Let's check out the brokerage. We have MTB that we're stuck in, right? So we need to go look at MTB, right? I believe I've sold that sucker pretty much everywhere. Yeah. We're on the daily. So we're just looking to see if MTB is below the 30 RSI. And in fact, it is not. It is recovering just fine. So your mindset is like, man, we've been holding on this a while. I think we want to, flip this. And I think I should just get out and get in something better and all that. Bull. You got to stay the course. Nothing's wrong. It's creeping. We're getting this dividend. Life is good. Next. We go to the screener, right? Let's check it out. You notice all I had to do is hit F. This is my life right here. This machine is just to make money. That's it. All right. If you want to pause the video at the end here, you can see what all these things I'm putting in. But we just want to make sure that we're going to make money next year. We're going to make money the next 5 years. And the PE is bringing in that reassurance that we are making money in the past as well and currently, right? Which is incredibly important. And there is actually some cool things to talk about today. I'm going to save this one for last here. It's a little different. All right. So it's just a normal company. Consumer goods. It's got a dividends kind of low. Debt's kind of on the high side. But it's under 4, which is our deal. Now for the PE range, we want that sucker to be 15, 18, somewhere in that area, but really leaning towards 15 because we don't really know crap about this. But it makes money pretty consistently. So this could be one where you decide to go either way. Now, after the big drop, we're here on the 200. This is looking kind of nice. I kind of like it. The PEs are just a little high. So if your trading plan says it has to be a 15 PE, then you shouldn't take this. But the max for me is an 18 for a company like this. So we're going to go ahead and take this LW. And just like that, we are back in the game. Get only one share. We're targeting a 1% of the account position size. And we're just still broke. So it's going to be a little while. My computer does not want to work today. No days off. Okay. 103.17. Looks like the closing print. 1. Limit order. Good till cancel with the extended hours. Now we've got all 3 of our day trades, okay? So we're going to do a first, triggers a second. 103.17. Let's make sure we get that in the spreadsheet. I'm a little scatterbrained, as you can tell. It's just my normal thing, but I don't want to miss nothing. All right. So take this times 1.01. That will get us our sell target. Just trying to make a little bit of money. And a little bit, a lot of times, if it's repeatable, adds up. So pause the video, do your math. I'm burnt today. I took the kids school shopping, so we are using the calculator. There's nothing wrong. Good till cancel with extended hours. And ship it. There was only 3 on the screener, so I'm not too worried about. Bought 103.17. Fill. Good. All right. Now, let's take a look at the other 2. New Jersey Resource. This is a utility, so this is along the same lines. This one is a little more. I want it to be closer to a 15 for utilities. If it's like a Duke Energy or something like that, I'll be willing to pay up into an 18. So you see there is a defined set limit I can write down. That's what a trading plan is. You see here, nice dividend. That's reasonable. PEs are about a 15, right? All good. NJR 43.88. Again, we only get to take one. How much money would we have to take 2 shares? Maybe like 9 grand, right? So just a little exercise to get you thinking bigger. We'll get there. NJR. And look at that fill price they put in there. It's so that you get filled. It's not like they're first triggers a second. It's not that they're just trying to just really break you over the coals, even though, call me a conspiracy theorist, I think that's definitely part of it. Good till cancel the extended hours. We take this 43.88 times 101. 1.01 get us a target here. Pause the video. Do your math. All right. 1, confirm. Let it rip. Okay. Now for our last trick, we're going to take a look at this top one. And the reason I saved it for the end is because this is a REIT. It's an industrial REIT, okay? So this is not a company. So you can't value it as, per se, a company because it's not. It's just real estate, okay? So the most important thing on real estate is the income. And they got some, and by federal law, if they got income, they got to give us some. So not too worried about the PEs on this one. It's valued differently. The debt is different as well. Most of you, if you put 20% down on your real estate, you owe a lot to the bank, a lot of debt, right? So real estate just gets financed differently than a regular business. And real estate doesn't usually come up on the screener, but this one happened to come up, and I like it. 137.56. For EXR. actually got a little action today. I look for things to even go worse tomorrow. It's like, well, if you thought that, why would you buy today? Because I don't know what the future will hold, right? Nobody does. Nobody does. But if you sit and wait for the perfect time ain't never going to come. That's not how it works. First trigger's a second. So we like to keep our position size smaller to give us more maneuverability, but our account's too small. So we're working with what we got, but it's not an excuse to do nothing, right? Get to canceled extended hours. If you always think that you can't do it and you'll never have enough money and I have to have $25,000 and all this stuff, it's all bull. It's all bull. But if you think you can't do it, you're right. So you got to start thinking you can do it, right? One day we'll do 100 share lots. Bada bing, bada boom. Looks pretty good to me. Ship it. Alright, let's go to the monitor here. Boom. So we're in the game. Things are going well. We still have, it looks like, $300 available for trading, which is a little under half the account. And we've got some exposure into banking, real estate, utilities, and consumer packaged goods. So we've got 4 out of the 12 sectors, right? Good diversification. If you know, it's not something I go for, but it doesn't hurt either. And we got the money in. So just for a little big picture before we close the video, everybody's wondering, I'm going to buy these stocks. I'm going to go on the record right now and tell you, I think the stock market's going down, okay? But I'm still buying stock, okay? And as you can see, here's the top. This is not the top, right? So we didn't buy the top. It's cruising up. We got an opportunity, and we're going to take a swing. So I hope y'all are doing well. I hope this is making sense. If you want to speed up your timeline, get your repetitions in. Watch the same videos over and over and over again. I guarantee not all of it has sank in. But I'm here to help you if I can. And the results speak for themselves. This account is killing the market. So I hope y'all are doing good, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.